How's it going, YouTube? I trust you all well. Tony Brown here again with another Akai MPC sampling video. And in this video, I'm going to take you through a process of finding a sample, chopping it up, and making a beat. So I've just found something on YouTube. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but it sounds like there's a few elements in there that I could use. So let's get it sampled, let's get it in the MPC, chop it up, and see what we can do with it. You know, I'm going to keep that piezo just in case I need it later. So let me chop it from there. Alright, so I'm just going to neaten up these chops a little bit. So what I usually do is go to all and select all samples, and then I put a little bit of decay on all of them. Just so it tails off the end, so the end doesn't stop so sharp. And then I also go to filter, and I put a little bit of filter on there, just to kind of add a bit of grit to it. And with that, you can clean it up later on using the EQ, but I always like to add a bit of filter to it. And then what I do is go to edit, and then I'll tighten up all the start points and end points. And I like to zoom in as much as I can and get it as tight as possible. What I usually do is identify either a kick, a snare, or a hi-hat and use that as the start point. So you see the difference there? If I can get it right on the hi-hat or right on the kick, you get a nice sharp start point. And it doesn't work for every sample. You know, certain samples you kind of want it off slightly, depending on what the sample is. But in this case, I'm just going to get it on right on the start point. So that's tighten that up a little bit. The next thing I usually do is put a little bit of compression on the entire program, just to balance things out a bit. So I'm not saying this is the right thing to do, I'm just saying this is what I do. So I'll put a compressor on there, and then I will also add a bit of chorus. Just to give the sample some width. You hear the difference there? let's copy this sequence and make some variations to it. So there you go. I'm going to leave this one here. I hope you enjoyed the process. If you did, then make sure you give me a big thumbs up, like and subscribe. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you check out the Pad Bank, which is my producer's forum. Just go to thepadbank.com. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you check out my other sampling videos and beat making videos where I take you through a process of finding a sample, chopping it up and making a beat. In the meantime, all the best, God bless, and take care.